Hey there! Today we're waddling into the incredible world of these tuxedo-wearing athletes that have mastered life in the harshest environments on Earth with social behaviors and survival abilities that make human relationships look simple. Let's get started! 1. Penguins propose marriage with pebbles and maintain lifelong relationships with gift-giving rituals that put human romance to shame. Male penguins spend enormous amounts of time searching for the perfect pebble to present to their chosen female. Not just any rock will do, but a smooth, perfectly shaped stone that demonstrates the male's dedication and ability to provide. If the female accepts the pebble, they become mates for life and continue exchanging stones throughout their relationship as tokens of affection. Some penguin couples have been observed returning to the same nesting sites year after year for decades, greeting each other with elaborate head-bobbing ceremonies and presenting new pebbles like anniversary gifts. The pebble exchange is so important that penguins have been observed stealing prime stones from neighboring nests, leading to penguin divorce cases where theft of precious stones ends relationships. 2. Penguins can dive to depths of over 1,800 feet and hold their breath for more than 20 minutes, making them better deep-sea divers than most marine mammals. Emperor penguins are the ultimate diving champions, capable of reaching depths that would crush human lungs and staying underwater longer than sperm whales. Their bodies have adapted to these extreme depths with collapsible lungs that prevent nitrogen narcosis, solid bones instead of hollow bones like other birds, and blood that carries 3 times more oxygen than human blood. During these marathon dives, their heart rate drops from 120 beats per minute to just 20, essentially entering a deep-sea meditation state that conserves oxygen while they hunt for fish in the crushing depths of the Antarctic Ocean. 3. Penguins have a built-in desalination system that allows them to drink seawater and filter out the salt through specialized glands near their eyes. Since fresh water is scarce in their icy habitats, penguins have evolved to drink seawater exclusively, processing it through supraorbital glands that concentrate and excrete excess salt. You can actually see this process in action. Penguins frequently shake their heads vigorously to expel concentrated salt solution through their nostrils, like biological water purification plants. This adaptation is so efficient that penguins can survive indefinitely on seawater alone, never needing fresh water, making them perfectly adapted to life surrounded by undrinkable ocean but no accessible freshwater sources. 4. Penguins practice huddle rotation in groups of thousands, creating living heating systems that can maintain body temperature even in negative 40-degree weather with 100 miles per hour winds. During Antarctic storms, emperor penguins form massive huddles containing up to 5,000 individuals, creating a constantly moving spiral of body heat that keeps the entire group alive. The penguins on the outside of the huddle slowly rotate inward while those in the warm center gradually move outward, ensuring no individual freezes to death during storms that can last for days. The temperature inside these huddles can be 50 degrees warmer than the outside air, and the constant rotation means every penguin gets equal access to life-saving warmth through a completely democratic survival system. 5. Penguin parents can identify their individual chicks' call among thousands of other baby penguins in massive colonies, using vocal recognition abilities that surpass human auditory processing. In colonies containing hundreds of thousands of penguins, parents returning from hunting trips at sea must locate their single chick among a sea of nearly identical babies. Each penguin chick has a unique vocal signature that parents memorize within days of hatching, and this acoustic recognition is so precise that parents can identify their offspring's calls from over 100 feet away even in the chaos of a massive colony. The parent-chick recognition system is so sophisticated that penguin families rarely make mistakes, achieving near-perfect accuracy in an acoustic environment that would overwhelm human hearing completely. 6. Penguins are expert tobogganers who can slide on their bellies at speeds up to 25 miles per hour, essentially turning Antarctica into their personal water park. When traveling across ice, penguins often abandon walking in favor of belly sliding, which is not only faster but also more energy efficient than waddling on their short legs. This tobogganing behavior allows penguins to cover vast distances across icy terrain while conserving energy for swimming and hunting. Some penguin species have been observed sliding for miles across ice sheets, using their wings for steering and their feet for braking, turning necessary travel into what appears to be pure fun. Young penguins learn to toboggan through play, sliding down ice slopes repeatedly like children on snow days. 7. Penguins can swim at speeds up to 35 miles per hour and literally fly underwater using wing flippers that beat up to 3 times per second, making them faster underwater than most fish in their environment. Despite being flightless birds, penguins are essentially underwater aircraft, using their wings as high-speed propellers and their streamlined bodies as living torpedoes. Their swimming technique is so efficient that they can leap completely out of the water while swimming at full speed, a behavior called porpoising that allows them to breathe without slowing down, similar to dolphins. Penguins can change direction instantly while swimming at top speed, making them incredibly maneuverable underwater predators that can outswim most of the fish they hunt, turning their inability to fly in air into a superpower for flying through water. And there you have it, 7 incredible penguin facts that prove these tuxedo-wearing birds have mastered romance, deep sea diving, survival in the world's harshest climate, and underwater flight with abilities that make them some of the most perfectly adapted animals on our planet.